Hi, this is Mary Beth Baxter. Cellcore Biosciences is coming out with a nasal spray, and it's not here yet. It's called D-Nasal, and it will be here soon. But until it gets here, we have other suggestions. The Para 3 in a nasal spray bottle. I actually labeled mine. You can see where it says P3 on it. I actually labeled this one in a miniature nasal spray bottle, so it goes in my purse. Super, super easy. And I put 1 drop in with distilled water into this one. Into this one, it has the biomolecular oxygen in this one. And today I'm using this, tomorrow I'm going to use this one, and I just go back and forth and back and forth. Now remember, with the oxygen, you cannot use it in the evening before you go to bed because it'll keep you awake, so you don't want to do that. But other than that, just go back and forth between the P3 and the oxygen, and soon Cellcore will be out with their nasal spray. Take care.